April Fools. So how does one get lucky? Or how does one stay lucky? Contest chair, dear friends, happy afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about just two things. How to get lucky in life and how to stay lucky. Simple, just two things. Before I start, a visual for you to fantasize. You're in the office, and to make it more realistic, you're in the office and you're on Facebook. You're looking at these exotic women or exotic man at exotic places, having exotic food. Everything is exotic, capitals, bold, underline. And you what? And I've seen this reaction. The person says, Kunal, that man, so damn lucky. I don't know what is the last part, what stimulates him. But yes, I've seen this reaction. So, there are three types of people when I ask them. So, the first category of people are everything is destined. Everything. So, they go to the fortune teller, they give their hand, their life to him, and they say, Sir, the fortune teller, an expert of his area, tells him, Kunal, 25 job, 28 marriage, 30 kids, 40 you settle down, and I'm done. How many of us, this category? Show of hands, please. I see a few hands, thank you. The second category, now this is a very rational lot. We have some R&D scientists, engineers here. So this lot says, everything is not luck. Wait. 33% hard work, 33% destined, 33% luck, yeah. So how many of us, or they have some other magical formula like this. So how many of us are in this category? Logical. Many of us. Now the third category, I love this category. You go to them and you say luck, and they say, no luck, self-made. No such thing as luck. If you tell luck, I'll tell you something that rhymes with luck. How many of us in this category? So many. And now there's a fourth category also. And they're from IIN. Now, let's not take their opinion because the coverage is very weak here. So let's stop them. So, people have often called me lucky. I'm so lucky. I'll tell you why. I was born on 7th September 93. Just 21 years old. 7.5-month baby, premature, overweight. Look at the irony, premature because overweight. So, I was born, and the nurse, Selvi, I will never forget her name, she dropped me. She dropped me, I had a hairline fracture on the incubator 3 months. The doctor, Dr. Gonzalez from Goa. The doctor comes and like Bane from Dark Knight, he says, Sangeeta, my mother, your son will not lead a normal life. There's not much we can do. My mother, being a very polished lady, gives him a very good answer. She says, K. Fine. We go to meet this doctor after 5 years, and he's appalled, he's shocked. He gets up from his chair and he says, I've been a pediatrician 24 years of my life. This is a miracle. He is so damn lucky. My mother and I find a temple nearby, go there, and we say, thank you. In school, nursery, I had a bad stammer, like I had a marble in my mouth. Hello, good morning, that way. But still, there was an elocution competition in my school, and the then Home Minister was going to come. You know who they selected? I recited daffodils there, and I gave them my word's worth. Got a standing ovation, and the other parents flocked to my mother and they said, they didn't say something. They said, Sangeeta, what is this? It's a stammer. Still we get selected. My mother gave another polished answer. She said, Okay, now I've grown up in college. Everything was awesome. Top 3 always. I completed my CS at the age of 20, youngest in India, all India ranker. Everything was going on well. When Uncle Shenoy comes in, on my result day we had a small function. Shenoy uncle comes in and tells, Kunal, the CA profession, there is a lot of demand now. And if you see the paper which you appeared, it was a repeat of 2008 paper. So if you've solved that, you can solve this. You are so damn lucky. Our visits to the temple became very frequent. Today I am a practicing company secretary, soon to be a criminal lawyer. Good office, nice staff, clients. Everything in the last 1 year. Life is good, seriously. My landlord comes up to me. Mr. Petram, retired government servant. He tells me, Kunal, come here. You have entered the profession in an age where everything is online. No need to visit government offices. No corruption. That is why you're getting clients. And you're in my office. You are so damn lucky. I didn't know what to do. So much luck. What the freak? Do you think all this happened in my life because of luck? Really? When I was born, my mother faced a lot of humiliation, a lot of name calling. I couldn't sleep at night. People need to be silent to sleep at night. My mother for a year had to put me here and do this for 3 years. Can you imagine the irony? Difficult. She had to quit her job. It was very difficult. In the nursery, to overcome my stammer, I went 6 to 8 hours of speech therapy. I did a lot of practice, my friends. And that is how I got that. In school, I had 16 to 18 hour study sessions. No parties, no girlfriends, nothing. And that is how I cleared my CA and my CS. Not that easy. Today, I'm a practicing professional. I have slept in my office, working. I have slept in my office, I have swept my office, served tea to the damn clients, washed their cups, I've done everything. So when people call me lucky, I dare them to call me lucky. This TCS auditorium. So the fact of the matter being, there's no luck, it's hard work and preparation. You can create your own luck. Thank you.